next speaker is Honorable Valuable Comments there. My next, Andrew, very important, the Honorable Speaker, Dr. Lakhu Luhana, who is the Secretary General of World Sindhi Congress. I would request you to, sir, share your views with us. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Abdul Hamid Khan. It's not a very long time span in terms of it's just one generation. And I want to warn the people from Gilgit and Baltistan. Please note my words. We are not against the propaganda that Pakistani government will do and that they have done for Balochistan. Look, these people are anti-development. These people are reactionary. These people do not want their people to develop. And they did this, and they will say same thing for the Gilgit and Baltistan. Because what other propaganda they could do? These people are against development. But when this Karakoram highway will be widened from 10 to 30, the tourism and other businesses associated, the transport of goods, will increase fivefold. And along this entire 1300 kilometer stretch of Karakoram highway, you will have hotels, you will have settlements, and all these settlements, there won't be Gilgit and Baltistan, there will be people from Punjab and Pashtun from. And you can be marginalized within years, you'll be gone. Then you will become not a nation, you will become indigenous people. You are a nation now. Still you are not in minority. And this is the time the Gilgit people and Gilgit and Baltistan, when there will be mines, for example. The mines are very, very extensive operations. They will bring thousands of workforce. That workforce is not going to come, they will not bring that from Gilgit and Baltistan. You know from where they will be coming. And the mine process doesn't finish in months. It is the process which carries over long periods of time. And we have seen in the mines that how those people who come and eventually they settle, they get their families, and they become the residents there. So once these mining operations, as they are accelerating now, it will not take time to bring a couple of million people. And Gilgit and Baltistan people will be in a minority in their own motherland. These dams, they will displace people. For example, yesterday we were giving figures that as a result of 2 dams alone, there will be displacement of 300,000 people. That's 15% of the population of Gilgit Baltistan. And once, because those states, they are capable with engineering their strategies. For example, yesterday there was this very, very good presentation about Wahan. What the people of Wahan should do. They don't have anywhere to go. They don't have any economic sustainable system. What they should do? They will move. They are moving. They are leaving their land. Because they cannot see their children dying from hunger and disease. They cannot sustain their family. They are leaving. So once you are moved out, the others are moved in. The case is over and done and dusted. And this shouldn't happen. This shouldn't happen. It is the moral duty of the entire international community. Because I was reading that article of a very famous biologist, and he said that when one species disappears, that they are cry. How the international community afford to lose such a beautiful people. I had the opportunity to see Gilgit Baltistan 7 times about 25 years ago. And believe me, I've seen Europe. This is one of the most beautiful places on earth. How that can be done to that? And this is my request and advice, that people of Gilgit and Baltistan learn from our lessons. And development, yes, we want development. When we are the owners, because Slavery is what? Slavery when you lose the control of your own history. We are not writing our history. The foreigners, the colonialists, they are writing our history. When we will, our happiness will come, our real development will come. There's enormous joy in freedom and enormous potential of prosperity in freedom rather than slavery when we become second class, third class, fourth class citizens and eventually disappearing in the mist of history. I do not want to happen this to Sindhi nation. I do not want to happen this to Gilgit and Baltistan nation. All the best. We are with you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Dr. Honorable Lakhu Luhana Sahab.